Brand awareness. Brand awareness is a fundamental marketing concept that refers to how familiar your target audience is with your brand. In essence, it's about how recognizable your brand is to potential customers. Here's a deeper look. Key aspects of brand awareness. Recognition and recall. Brand recognition. The ability of consumers to identify your brand when they see it, therefore. Recognizing your logo or colors. Brand recall. The ability of consumers to bring your brand to mind when thinking about a particular product or service category. Importance in the customer journey. Brand awareness is often the first step in the customer's buying process. If people aren't aware of your brand, they can't consider buying your products or services. Building trust and credibility. Familiar brands tend to be perceived as more trustworthy and reliable. Competitive advantage. Strong brand awareness can help your brand stand out in a crowded marketplace. How to increase brand awareness. Consistent branding. Use consistent logos, colors, and messaging across all marketing channels. Content marketing. Create valuable and engaging content that attracts and informs your target audience. Social media marketing. Use social media platforms to reach a wider audience and engage with potential customers. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website and content to rank higher in search engine results. Paid advertising. Use online and offline advertising to reach a targeted audience. Public relations, PR. Generate positive media coverage and build relationships with influencers. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers to promote your brand to their followers. Experiential marketing. Creating real-world experiences that allow potential customers to interact with your brand. Why it matters. In today's competitive market, brand awareness is crucial for survival and success. It helps to build trust, attract new customers, and retain existing ones. Ultimately, strong brand awareness can lead to increased sales and profitability.